Here is just a very quick overview of WeTransfer app, share and send files. Of course, it's one of the competitors to Dropbox or Google Drive. I used this app a few times. Some people sent me files using this app. And seems, it's quite good. They have very nice, very easy to use iOS app. So definitely one of the alternatives for like Dropbox or Google Drive. You can try it. Here's how it looks like. Instantly, you can create your account with Apple or Google, Facebook, and then you can just send files using this app. So yeah, that's how it looks like. You just tap on the plus icon, and in a free version, so you can use this app completely for free, but in a free version, there's like 2 GB limit. So you can upload files up to 2 GB. And then you can just send it, and then you can get a link to that file or send as email to someone after you uploaded that. And then you just send title, add a message, and then you can add expiration date. You can add a password for that file, so people can only open it up, with a password. And then after 1 week, for example, this link won't be available anymore. If you want to have more additional features, if you want to receive up to 200 gigabytes, or have 1 terabyte storage for a transfer, so then you need to upgrade. It's $120 per year. That's okay. So you can only add passwords in a pro version. So in a free version, it will be without password. But yeah, that's how it works. If you plan to send some smaller files, like up to 2 gigabytes, probably it's some kind of smaller videos or some smaller archives, whatever. That can be a good option to start, and then you just delete the file and then you can send another one. So that's like basically how the process looks like. It can be enough. Of course, if you send in huge, large media files or whatever, videos, some other files, it's not enough. You will need to upgrade. And then you kind of need to decide if it's worth it, or maybe you can use like Google Drive or Dropbox. You need to compare the pricing. So what I understand, like I'm paying like literally like $2 or $3 per month for Google Drive, and I get like 100 gigabytes per month. So 100 gigabytes of storage. So maybe you can get 1 terabyte on Google Drive for a cheaper price, because these corporations can afford that. But who knows, maybe you don't want to clutter your Google Drive with some additional files, or for some occasions you can just want to have some additional service just to send 1-2 files and that's it. And you don't want to get your Dropbox or Google Drive into it. So that's when WeTransfer is kind of good. And it's one of the top apps. It's quite reliable. It's been in the market for a while, so it's not some, strange app where your files can disappear and stuff like that. So here you just see sent, received, then you see your account. You're prompt to upgrade. Then there is also premium version. No size limit on transfer, unlimited transfer storage. You can set your own expiration dates. Premium is $23 per month. So there you have it. If you want to delete your account, just tap deleted account in the bottom. But if you want to cancel a subscription, you need to cancel a subscription first, because deleting an account won't cancel a subscription.